Alright, let's make green bean casserole, but let's make it vegan. And let's make it something that you actually look forward to when you see it on the table. We'll make a creamy base out of sauteed mushrooms, blend that up with those soaked cashews. If you haven't tried cooking with cashews like this before, you are about to be obsessed. I actually have a mushroom soup that's vegan, and it's basically this sauce. And a reader actually pointed out that it would be great in a green bean casserole, so here we are. We are going to trim and then cook those green beans briefly in boiling water. Cold water stops the cooking process. And then just start throwing everything into your casserole dish. We've got our green beans, some reserved mushrooms from making the sauce, salt, crispy fried onions, and that sauce. You can stir this all together in a big bowl, but I like to just stir it all together in the casserole dish to save on dishes. Pop that in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes, top it with your remaining crispy fried onions, and then cook it for about 10 more minutes. And that is how you make green bean casserole the star of the dinner table. It is so flavorful from that mushroom sauce, and I love the textures of the green beans and the fried crispy onions. Let me know if you try it out, and happy eating!